Welcome to the Harbour Centre, where SFU VentureLabs is located. We're so excited to give you a tour. I'm going to show you around our main office on the 12th floor and our event spaces on the 11th. So come on, follow me as I take you on a tour. SFU VentureLabs is a central innovation hub in the heart of downtown Vancouver for science and technology companies. Whether scaling companies need open concept seating, private offices, or meeting rooms, we offer it all with over 2,300 square meters spanning 2 full floors at Harbour Centre. As we enter our main office on the 12th floor, you will find our reception area and our kitchen. Our wide variety of working spaces makes it easier for innovators to work collaboratively or on their own. Members are also able to book meeting rooms through our convenient online booking system. Check out our vibrant company wall. This is where SFU VentureLabs showcases all of our current client companies. And that's all of our facilities on the 12th floor. Now let's go down to the 11th and check out our flex work and event space. Here on the 11th floor, we have additional workspaces for booking. Walking further into the office, you'll see the Concourse area, a great place to host events, workshops, receptions, panels, and more. We've had international delegations and innovation companies host various events in this space. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you want to learn more about VentureLabs, visit our website at venturelabs.ca.